Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Allure beauty box for August 2020. This is currently a $15 a month subscription, but that is all changing in October, I believe. I got an email just the other day. Let me read it for you. Okay, so it says your beauty box is getting an upgrade. On October 1st, 2020, the monthly price for the Allure beauty box is going up to $23 a month. And it's also getting a major upgrade. Starting in October, you'll enjoy brand new benefits. So at least 6 products each month valued at $100 or more, 3 or more full-sized items in every box, exclusive opportunities to get your favorite luxury and indie brands at members-only prices, special offers for our limited edition boxes, and access to members-only events with Allure editors and beauty experts. So, that being said, I don't know if I will keep getting this box. I'll probably wait to see how the first few are to see if it's worth the 23 bucks, but it seems kind of, I mean, I know it's more luxury, but it seems a little bit interesting that, you know, Pixi and BoxyCharm, those are around the same price and it's all full-size products, and this one's only going to be 3 full-size products. But Allure Beauty Box has more luxury brands, so I don't know. I'll wait and see if it's worth it to me. I would love to know, though, if you get this box currently, if you are going to keep getting it at $23 a month. It's not like a huge increase, but it's kind of a lot, you know? It's like a 50% increase. So, yeah. That being said, currently it is $15 a month. In here, there's like between 5 and 7 beauty, skincare, hair care products. Like I said earlier, more luxury brands. While I'm filming, if I don't know something's cruelty-free, I will put that on the screen for you, as well as the estimated sample value, so I will do all the research, all that stuff, find out if we're getting a good deal or not. Okay, let's just go ahead and open her up. Okay, so right on top, there's going to be this little booklet. It's going to have everything we're getting, as well as their full-size values, and then a little bit about the product and why a particular editor at Allure magazine chose the product to be in this box. Won't look too much at it, though. I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay, so let's just go ahead and pull. That's so funny. I'm filming this in the same day. Obviously, I'm wearing the same clothes. I don't change my clothes anymore. Like, if I'm filming in the same day, you're gonna know. So yes, I just filmed the Pixi unboxing, and I got the same thing. Anyways, so this is from H2O+. This is the Gel Cream Moisturizer. I actually have my stuff still sitting here, so I'll just show you the one I got from there so I don't have to open 2 of them, because it did have a safety seal on it. Okay, so it's actually not the same, but it's close enough to the same. So it's a Gel Cream Moisturizer. This one's just for sensitive skin, the one in the Allure box. So I'm going to save that one just because I don't want to open 2 of them. I might not be using it, but I will show you the consistency. So there is. It's just like, you know, a gel consistency. And then it rubs in. It's like, it's very moisturizing, but it's like very watery. So depending on what kind of moisturizer you're into, that's what it feels like. I assume the sensitive one is the same, just for sensitive skin. All right, and the full size of that is $42. So, yeah, I don't know, a little bit expensive, don't you think? Okay, moving right along. The next thing I'm going to pull out is from Floss, which is cruelty-free. This is the Brighten Up Highlighter. So there's the packaging, very simple. Whoa, that's sort of an interesting color. So it comes like in this little clear thing, and the color is almost like yellow. Let me see if it has a shade name. Sunlit is the shade. It looks, I don't know if you can tell how yellow that looks, but I'll go ahead and swatch it. Whoa, super creamy. That's very, very creamy. That feels nice. Whoa, I like that. I will definitely use that. Very pretty. I love like a gold color like that. It's pulling more white. It's definitely like gold. There, you can kind of see the color now. Okay, so got that. And let's get a full-size value on that. Full size is 20 bucks. So depending on how big it is, I mean, it's pretty like on par for like other higher end highlighters. So yeah, there's that. Okay, let's pull out the next thing. This is from Erno Laszlo, which I'm fairly certain is not cruelty-free. I could be wrong, but I feel like they are not. This is the Famous Black Soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. So there it is. Packaging is actually kind of cool on this. This is something I'm not going to use even if it was cruelty-free. Anything with mud tends to be drying, and this is just not something I need. I already have dry skin. So I'm going to be passing that along to somebody else. But it's valued, oh my God, the full size is $38 for a bar of soap. Are you kidding me? It's too much. That's way too much. For a bar of soap, almost $40? Get out of here. Nope, that's a hard pass for me. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. This is from Solwasu. I think this is K-Beauty. This is a First Care Activating Serum. I don't know if it's cruelty-free. It's really hard for me to find out if K-Beauty stuff is cruelty-free, but there's the packaging. Let's go ahead and find out exactly what this is. Okay, so it says the ingredients in this work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. So yeah, I mean, it's something I'd probably try. The full size is 84 bucks. So I don't know, that seems a little bit expensive. I will find out though if it's cruelty-free. If it is, I'll probably use it, but definitely something I probably would not repurchase. Okay, let's pull out this next thing. Okay, so this is from Luxenmel. It is a brightening lift mask. This is also K-Beauty. Packaging is really neat on this. It's a perfect fit mask. I don't know what that means. Everything else is pretty much in, I assume, Korean. Okay, so moist, milky essence provides radiance and moisture to dry and dull skin to make skin brighter and hydrated. Adjusts and fits to the face with smooth texture and elasticity, which gives healthy skin and natural glow. So yeah, I'll try to find out if it's cruelty-free. I'll probably use it. I have so many sheet masks right now, but I like them, so definitely we'll give it a try if it's cruelty-free. Let's get a value. So $3 for one, so pretty affordable. Like, that's not bad at all. I'd pay that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Wish, which is cruelty-free. This is a botanical primer. It says skin balancing reduces environmental stress. So it also says that with bakuchiol, I don't know how you say that word. And the lady in here is saying that it is a gentler, natural alternative to retinol. So if you don't know, things with retinol tend to like make your skin super sensitive, and it can like make them dry and like red. So that's kind of interesting. I definitely will try it. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, it's very watery. Like, that's how much came out when I just tipped it over. I didn't even squeeze. I should have shaken it first. That's a lot. I just wasted like half of it. It doesn't really smell like anything. It feels honestly like a lotion. I'm kind of mad that I wasted it on my hand, but it feels really not like a primer and definitely like a lotion. So, I definitely will try it. I don't know, it feels so lotiony. Very interesting. Okay, and the last thing I have in here is from Pixi, which is cruelty-free. This is the Rose Oil Blend, Rose and Pomegranate Oils. So I love this brand. It is a drugstore brand, but it tends to be a little more expensive. This looks to be full size. Oh, neat. So they have the little dropper separate, which I guess is kind of interesting. So I guess if you, I don't know, that's interesting. It does smell like rose, but not like super overpowering. So that's, oh, it's got like a little seal on it. Hold on, maybe that's why it's not overpowering. No, definitely like a mild rose scent, like not too bad. I'm just gonna use it a little bit just to get a feel for what it feels like. Yeah, it's an oil. That's not bad. I kind of like that. I'm kind of into that. Like, I don't love rose stuff, but I love Pixi, so I definitely am excited to get this. I love oils too. I just find oil is like my favorite way to moisturize for some reason. I don't know what it is. I mean, you have to like take it easy though, because then like for me anyway, my pores will get clogged and then I will start breaking out. So I use like maybe an oil during the day and like a lotion at night. So that's just how I do it. Otherwise, like I definitely will get clogged pores. Let's see. The full size on that is 24 bucks, which I feel like this is full size. I'm fairly certain that's full size. That's not bad for an oil, I don't think. Oils tend to be more expensive than like a typical like lotion or cream moisturizer. So I don't think that's too overpriced personally. And I really like the brand. So sometimes when you really like a brand, at least for me, you find that you can justify the price more. Does that make sense? You know, that's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm the only one like that. But anyways, that's everything I got in here. I think it was definitely a good box. I guess, like, if I'm happy with this at $15 and, like, one full-size product, I probably wouldn't be too mad if I were to get 3 full-size products in there, because there's, like, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products in here. I don't think that's too bad. But as always, I would love to know what you thought, so make sure you let me know in the comment section right down there what you thought of this box, and if you get this box, if you're happy with it. I always love to hear everybody's thoughts and opinions and all that good stuff. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.